In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a data format to percentage in Power BI desktop. Open the data view. First, inside Power BI, go to the left hand side, click on the table view. This opens your data in a sheet-like view where you can see all your data clearly. Select the column. Now you choose whichever you want. So I will go with this one with discounts, because why not? It doesn't really matter which column you use. This is just to show you how it works, and usually discounts are in the percentages. So now click on the column name at the top right here, column tools. So first you choose the discount, so whatever column you choose. So this one that all is selected, like so. If you click the first one here, you don't need select manually all numbers, but if you click like that, all the numbers are selected. Now change the format. Once the column is selected, go to the top to column tools. Here you will see the percentage option right here, and simply click on it, and Power BI will refresh the data, and now all the values in the column are displayed as percentages. And that's it. This is how you change a data format to percentages in Power BI Desktop. If this video helped you out, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.